Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a product review. Today, by the way, I'm here, I'm just doing this so it's a better camera angle. Today I'm going to be reviewing these. If I take this off real quick, give me a sec guys. I'm going to be reviewing these today. These are just like this because I did this yesterday. So today I'm going to be reviewing this Adidas Aero Ready, as you can see, as you can see, the Adidas Aero Ready quick hand wraps for boxing, MMA, kickboxing, anything you want to use it for basically. So this is a gel hand wrap. These cost £25 I believe. I can't remember how much I got these from Budo online but I got it on eBay. But yeah, these are the Adidas quick wraps. Again, as I said, they are gel. They're very soft, well, not soft, but very heavily padded. I got these in large/extra large. I could have probably done with getting these in small/medium, but still they do the job. I haven't actually used them yet, but I will eventually. We'll take a look. As you can see, it's like netting for the where you slip your hand in. If I put it on, hold on, netted palm, netted round the thumb, netted on top as well. And yep, you've got the Adidas logo there on the front and the Aero Ready there. And essentially what drew me to these is I saw Rico Verhoeven using these in his training video that you can see. Hold on, let me, if I just quickly, one moment. If you watch the Glory 17, Rico Verhoeven works out before rematch with Daniel Geeta on Karen Bryant's MMA Heat channel, you can see Rico Verhoeven using these. So yeah, that's where I first saw these. But yeah, essentially they're a quick wrap, so you don't have to wrap your hand in between your fingers and stuff. They're like an inner glove, and you put them on just like so. And then instead of it being just one Velcro strap, it is literally a shorter length hand wrap basically, but attached to this inner glove. So then you can, hold on, I need to get this right so you can see. Wrap this round here, tuck that bit in. And then, like so, just wrap it round your hands. Or around your wrist, should I say. Now, these feel absolutely great. I really do like them. I'm happy with it so far. Again, the only trouble I've had is slipping them in to my gloves, as they are quite big. They're a very tight fit. I'm going to go and get one of my gloves in a second, guys, and I'll show you. So, once you've wrapped up your wrist, like so, it's just a Velcro strap, as you can see. Actually, I just noticed I got the Adidas shirt to go with it. So there it is on my hand. Very comfortable. Very nicely ventilated. You've got these 4 holes as well. And you've also got the, again, the netting underneath the actual wrap. So again, there you go. They look really nice. Just classic Adidas black and white. I'm tempted to get some Adidas gloves to go with these, but I'm not going to because my glove obsession is bad enough as it is for buying gloves. But yeah, so there you go. That's pretty much it. I'm going to go and get one of my gloves in a second, guys, and I'll be able to show you guys that. But before I do that, let me see if I can get a screenshot. But I'll be back in a moment. Alright, so I'm back. I've got my glove here. I haven't actually done a review on this glove yet. This is a custom glove from eBay that I got with my name on it. Yeah, I've just, you know, it matches black and white. But I'm going to show you guys me now putting my hand into the glove with this on. I have put some towels into this glove to try and widen the hand compartment a bit. But it is quite a fit to get these in. But using the towel method that I have, it's now much easier to get my hands in and then pull those tight. I'm going to be using these with my lace to loop converters by RDX. I've got a review for those on my channel, the lace converters, if you guys are interested in that. There's a playlist for all of my reviews on my channel homepage. But yeah, that's the review for the Adidas Quick Wraps. As you can see, they fit pretty neatly. Hold on. They fit pretty neatly in the glove. And yeah, just a decent product all round. Another thing that I like about them, God, they are tight, mind you. It's a tight fit compared to normal hand wraps because they're a lot bulkier. One thing I do like is once you actually remove your wrap, just like you would a normal wrap. Hold on. I had a pair of these before and it put me off them because every time I pulled them off through the hole, it would actually rip the material. These have a nice little loop on the front, then you can just pull them off like that. So that is it, everyone. Thank you all for watching this review of the Adidas Aero Ready hand wraps. You can find these on Budo online and various other fighting supply websites. But yeah, thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you all enjoyed, and yeah, take care, guys. Bye bye.